Hi, today we're going to talk about the design system of our Invisible Grille with our Diamond Grille system. So the Invisible Grille wise, as you can see here, it's actually a loop system whereby you have a long piece of invisible grille wire and loop it across. And for our Diamond Grille system, you see here, it's an independent system on its own. That means every wire itself is being installed individually with its own anchor bolts. So let's look at Invisible Grille system. As you can see here, this wire is actually quite quite tight as can be, but you still can pull it. You can see that this wire actually is very loose. So let's give it a push now. Now this wire becomes actually loose. This becomes tighter. Let's push it again. Now this becomes extremely loose. This wire tightens up again. Basically on the loop system, because the wire will give way during the loop, so actually you do not need to exert a lot of strength. You can see that the wire is losing up. But as you can see from our frame here, we took up one of our Diamond Grille wires to show that even when we take out or even when we deliberately cut our Diamond Grille wire with our heavy duty cutter, the rest of the wires itself will not be affected with a high tension strength to hold your loved ones, from falling out of the building.